Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my Crochet Creative Studio. This is the last part of my series how to crochet a rainbow summer dress full of fantasy. I use the rainbow yarn. The name of this skein is Rainbow Fantasy, so that's why I named this dress the dress full of fantasy. I just finished the dress and I'm so happy how it turned out. And now let me show details, and I will show you the skirt and explain how to crochet the skirt. In the previous part I explained how to crochet the body of the dress, and we finished somewhere here. And I explained how to crochet the lacy pattern and the pattern with double crochet stitches. And on the skirt I continue increasing the number of stitches around, and I crocheted 17 rows. And you see the color change from the white pink to the pink with dark blue thread. And here there are two rows or two repetitions of lacy pattern. Here there are 5 rows with double crochet stitches, and again 2 repetitions of the lacy pattern. I finish with the picots. I crocheted the picots around, and the picots are on the lacy pattern used, and also around the neck opening and around armholes. So I like if everything is in line and everything has the same motifs. So the dress is I would say this very easy to crochet, and it's a perfect dress for beginners, and you can very easily customize. You can crochet only the tank top or the tunic or the mini dress, midi, maxi. You can customize the width of the skirt and also the length of the skirt. You can experiment with the lacy patterns, and everything is possible using this pattern, and I would love to see your dresses, so please share the pictures with me. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video. The written pattern is also available. I'll give you the link below, and also you can download the PDF on my Etsy or my e-shop. And I measure everything, so I will show you this later on. And these are, I used 2 skeins, and this is the rest of the first and the second ball, and the weight is 353 grams, so almost 2 skeins I used for the dress. The dress size is extra small for 13 years old girl, and today I would like to try this dress to my model Neli, and you will see how the dress fits, and I think it will be amazing. I crocheted the dress according to the Neli's wishes. So the length of the skirt is under the heels and slightly, let's say, increasing. So this is it. If you like this video tutorial, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. In case of any questions, I'm also fully available. You can put the comment right below. And now let me show you how to finish the dress, how to increase the number of stitches, and how many stitches I crocheted. There are 17 rows with double crochet stitches, 2 repetitions of lacy patterns, 5 rows and 2 repetitions again. So super easy, and I absolutely love these colors, especially the combination of the dark blue and the white. It's like a navy combination of colors, which is perfect for the summer crocheting. Okay, so guys, happy crocheting, have a lovely summer time, and see you soon. Bye. Now have a look at the skirt. I finished the last 2 repetitions with lacy pattern, and I add the row with picots. This is the final, the last row. The measurement is 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters for the lacy pattern. So there are 2 more rows, double crochet row and row with single crochet stitches and picots. And you see the position of picot. One picot is between lacy patterns, and the second picot is in the middle of the pattern. So you can compare it with the first row of lacy pattern, where is a picot and a V-stitch. So one picot is in the line with picot, and the second one is in the line with V-stitch. And I'm just about to finish the last stitch. So single crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch, insert the hook into the side bar and the front loop of single crochet, make a slip stitch, and this is the last stitch. Perfect. The skirt is finished, and here I would recommend you to close the round with an invisible join. Of course, you can join the row with a slip stitch, or you can use your crochet hook or sewing needle and pull the thread under the front and the back loop of the first stitch. You crocheted at the beginning of your work, so pull the yarn under the first stitch and then insert the hook between the front and back loop of the last stitch you crocheted, and pull the thread between the front and back loop, all 4 pieces of the thread. Okay, so this is it. And we are done. Remove the stitch markers. I have 6 stitch markers. I marked every 50th stitch. Okay, and this is the rest of my second ball. you see the pink color and the whole part with the blue color. Perfect. And what I have to do is to repair the edge around the armhole on the right side. Now it is made with a thread which contains 3 blue and one pink, and on the left side I have 2 pink colors and 2 blue colors. So I will start again one more time, and I will use also 2 blue and 2 pink colors. Okay, look at this. So I change the color, so don't finish the last stitch. Use the new color and pull yarn through both loops on your crochet hook, and then continue crocheting single crochet stitches around. Work 1 single crochet into each single crochet and make picots, and place picots in the same position as you have on the opposite side of your work. We have blue picots on the right side, and now on the left side work the same picots. Okay, so chain 3 and slip stitch, and then single crochet into each single crochet. I think this will improve the whole result and the whole look of the dress. Hide all ends, and I would recommend you again to use the invisible join. Now I work with a needle. You can use your crochet hook or needle, it's up to you, and make a join between the first and the last stitch. Perfect, and now hide the end on the wrong side. Okay, fasten off, and now the measurement, and first of all the weight is 353. Wow, yeah, so almost the 2 skeins finish. One skein has 200 grams. So now the measurement of the length and the width. So the length is 65 centimeters. And I will measure also the width. I have to fold the skirt and look at it. It has 42 centimeters times 4, so 168 approximately. Okay, and let's measure the length of the skirt from the waist. It's 46 centimeters. Yeah, 46, and the body measures, okay, I will measure it from the top to the waist. Down is 47 centimeters, so altogether we have 93 centimeters. Okay, so guys, now it's time for washing and blocking. I will show you how to care for your crocheted dress. To ensure your dress retains its shape, elasticity and colors for a long time, I recommend following this gentle care routine. Hand wash only. This is the first rule. Wash the dress exclusively by hand in lukewarm water. Use detergent. Use only a small amount of liquid detergents, gently shampoo, or a little bit of fabric softener. Gentle squeezing, the next important rule. Don't wring the fabric by twisting or squeezing it harshly. Only gently press the water out. You can also roll the dress in a clean, dry towel and gently press it to absorb excess moisture. Drying and blocking. Lay the dress flat on a drying rack or a flat surface, such as a clean towel or a cotton sheet. Shape it to the desired measurement, block it, and let it dry naturally. And never dry the dress in direct sunlight or a radiator, or don't use hot air or a hair dryer, so avoid too much heating. And now the dress is finished and ready for my model. Look at her and look at the dress. I'm so excited how the dress turned out. It's absolutely perfect. I love the pattern, the colors, and the shape of the dress. And thank you very much to my model Nelly. I think she's amazing. She's so beautiful. Thank you very much for watching, my crochet friends. You will find the links below this video, so you can download the PDF written pattern and also follow my video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching once again, and if you like my video tutorials, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Wish you happy crocheting and bye bye!